For this mukbang, I'm gonna have the help of...
what are they, fire in the hole?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're supposed to be the hottest things in the store.
Abby, Steven.
Those are spicy lemon pepper wings from Pluckers. We got some waffle fries. We got some holy mac. We got some fried mushrooms. Abby's little
Fried
bites.
mushrooms?
Yes, they're delicious.
More waffle fries.
Wait,
Yeah.
she got the loaded waffle
Oh, she
fries.
got the loaded waffle fries.
Okay, there you go. And then yours are, what are they, fire in the hole?
Yeah.
They're supposed to be the hottest things in the store. Like if you're there,
It's a restaurant.
okay,
Restaurant.
it's supposed to be the hottest thing in the restaurant. And if you eat them there, you get on the Hall of Fame. But isn't it like in a number?
I'm eating this. That's why I got the milk. What'd you say, Brina?
You cry at anything spicy.
Yeah, I don't like spicy food, and I'm about to eat these.
ketchup?
As y'all can hear, Daisy started the mukbang
I know.
with us.
It's supposed to be
There was this one I saw that was like a 3,000 calorie one.
How many calories do you think this is?
Okay, so I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna get the milk ready.
Oh, please, you should have served yourself that. Like, why are you gonna do that?
Huh?
Sin lactosa? Really? You got lactose-free milk?
I'm lactose intolerant.
But you're gonna eat holy mac.
I never. Well, yeah.
Those are French there.
Oh, okay, okay.
I asked Brianna what to get. She said.
All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna eat these soup. What are these called?
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. My life.
I'm excited. My
Am I
nose is
supposed to eat
already
them all?
running from this. You don't have to.
Hold on,
I mean,
nervous.
to be on the wall of fame, you do.
Oh my god.
You don't have to. It's brush.
You don't have to.
How spicy are they? Not that spicy?
Because
Because they didn't smell that spicy.
Nah, I put my finger in and I tried it.
He's just going for it. In a very annoying way. Wait, let it sink in. Hold it. Already?
That's what I didn't want to happen. Let it
That's
sink
the
in.
Yeah, that's why he wants to eat it back.
No. Then why make a video?
Is there a timer at there?
Yeah.
At Pluckers?
Well, 1 minute. I'm 37 seconds.
No, what?
Wash your
I'm
hands
not.
before you use the restroom.
Yeah. Or rub your eyes. Don't rub your eyes.
Oh.
I would do that.
I feel like everybody should try it.
No.
Why?
You can try it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'll try
Since
it.
you made us
Do
late.
it.
Go ahead.
Do it.
A whole
With
one.
your massage.
I literally told you what I was doing. I don't know why you so hurt.
You were supposed to be here at 7.
I was here at 7:15.
Let me try one.
Exposed.
What you do? No, the one.
No, pretty good, huh?
Yours? No, yours is the one that.
Oh.
You're like, are you even a YouTuber?
No.
My because you did
Xbox.
expose me.
What?
That's what I think. No, you're good.
Yeah.
That's
You like mushrooms?
Did you try it?
Yeah.
That's why you eat wings with ranch, so that it's not so spicy.
What is this?
Wild mushrooms.
Oh yeah, open up the ranch.
I don't like ranch.
What?
Oh, you're gonna like it after
I don't
this.
like ranch.
You don't
You're
like it
gonna
with
love it.
these, yeah.
It's cold
You have to
ranch.
drink it.
Cold ranch. I get you. No, I mean, I do drink this ranch. This ranch is really good.
Okay.
Is that jalapenos?
Oh my god.
It has peppers on it.
Probably.
Probably.
They use the ghost pepper.
Oh my god, if they use the ghost pepper,
He's like,
Honestly, that's like the biggest thing. Like the pooping.
that's why it's called fire in the hole.
The hole is your butt.
in your mouth?
Have you checked your butthole?
You're gonna be pooping hot snakes.
Your breath was hot.
That's how
You're not. Please don't throw up on camera.
I know.
Not my food, please. My food.
Please don't throw up on camera. Wow. The attitude.
Oh, the lighting.
Oh,
Drink milk.
I'm dry.
Better do Zoom on me. Guys, He thinks.
It's delayed.
Yeah. That's usually with spicy stuff.
Your noises are making me not want to eat anymore.
Okay.
Have one of these.
Okay.
Probably soothe it. Yeah, soothe it.
They're mushrooms.
Now you should try this Thai thing that my coworker makes.
No.
She always eats.
No.
It's so spicy.
The like plate that she makes? That,
Are these live up?
or she buys?
No, she makes it.
Oh, I haven't had them. Please don't.
I think I'm done.
You're done? You
No, I
only
gotta
had
eat
3. And you only had 2.
That's why I wouldn't make it on that waffle thing.
You lost. How much
Let
did
her
you
check.
eat? The whole thing?
So you can at least hear it.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
You are like legitimately.
I don't want to breathe out.
Breathe through your nose.
My nose is running.
Can I try it?
You want to try them?
No, not yours.
Why not?
Because I don't want to be the
Have a holy mac.
teeth.
That's serious.
So is.
You got some sugar? Daisy?
You just got so red.
Are you really like for or are you like acting a
Guys,
little bit?
he doesn't like spicy foods. Like this is
At
it.
all. That's the spiciest thing he's ever had. And Jesse Perkins,
BTS.
Yeah. Shooky.
BTS official, wasn't it? Or what is their YouTube?
I don't know. Wait, what? Oh, the YouTube.
BT21.
Oh my
How do you know that?
Now my camera's gonna be spicy. I kind of want to eat another one because
Try this one, just
It's light.
It's spicy lemon pepper.
It's so good.
No, I think you should just finish your suicide first in the video.
you.
And then
All right.
and then we'll move on to other
Try the spicy lemon
we'll move
pepper.
on to other foods.
I don't really want to finish it. My stomach is like fire too.
I don't have to.
You want one? Why don't you eat one?
I know you won.
I don't eat those.
Why not?
Okay.
Today's a perfect day to die. I did a cooking video yesterday where
I'm really
so
good.
we're going along with the food theme.
What did he do?
Just like I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna
I don't
do
watch
a
it, I'm
quote. He cooks food for fuel, not taste. So that's how
I was like, I have no preference in taste whatsoever.
when he cooks.
I got burned like 5 times and I had a burn
I know
counter.
because you made me breakfast.
It's like ding, ding. Every time I got burned 5 times.
Oh no,
Remember that one time that you said that steam could catch fire?
Oh my god.
It can't. I feel it. The earth is flat. Okay,
No, it's f***ing not.
Conspiracy theories.
man. It was. I made it through. It was like 5 minutes of hell, and then
Challenge.
you know
All that for nothing.
I'm about being out of my comfort zone. So
Ew.
I'm scared. Please don't make any more gagging noises.
You know,
I
please.
can't help that.
It makes me like my stomach hurt.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
can't
is.
help that. He's dying. Have you
I
not
really
seen
can't eat
those people
this
tried those?
I'll finish that one. That's it.
Have you seen those ghost pepper ones? People like
No, no.
you
Remember that
lose
girl?
control when you're spiced.
That girl
Yeah.
that had fucking
Ain't shit you
asthma
can
or
do.
something?
Yeah, I remember that.
Like, why would you do that?
Oh my god, the white girl?
Yeah,
was funny.
Lance,
Oh yeah.
his girlfriend and her friend. Oh no, it was his
Okay.
sister.
Sister and his girlfriend. How many gigabytes do you have?
You should have just dropped down.
32.
I have
32 with that, and you have that many
I know.
apps, boy.
I have a lot of. Oh, but I also use the iCloud storage.
the
Why?
the iCloud.
That's what it's called. The
Do you
iCloud.
buy more and more
iCloud
storage?
I have like 50 gigs. It's like 99 cents a month.
That's annoying.
No, it's 99 cents. I'm
99
tempted to
cents.
buy
You
it.
know how much data costs?
I just save it on my
My
phone.
terabyte thing costs like $50.
Well,
I got mine for free
From where?
from Micro Center.
My
Because
dad
they were
has like
supposed to.
5.
Alright, I'm gonna finish these. I'm
You want some of mine?
gonna do it.
what
He
is
doesn't want more spicy stuff, my dad.
It's not even that spicy.
But we don't have anything to wait. We should just like those do how you do the burn count, do burp count. I mean,
Oh my God,
One,
yes.
like 30.
2.
No, just
On the
you
thing,
don't
Joseph,
do
you
it.
edit
Oh my
that.
god. Ah!
You're done.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah, cheesy mac or
Holy moly.
Mac.
What is it, cheesy mac?
exposed.
Pluckers is like the wings place of
Supposed to be the
Houston.
X-Files
Wait, yeah, is it a Houston thing?
the X-Files thing?
Is it a Houston thing?
No, no, they're not. They're based off in Austin.
Oh man,
Awful.
I can
And-
breathe so well.
Yeah, just eat the
Clear
tray.
my sinuses.
Just eat the holy mac.
Can't even say
Oh my
that.
god,
Your
during my...
grandparents never told you to do that? Eat something spicy so you can clear up your nose?
Yeah, but I was like, you guys.
You didn't like.
I don't like it.
Eat some-
Grandma's gonna walk.
Are you sure y'all don't want to try these?
I'll try.
100 subscribers.
Damn, it's 1400.
Oh, damn, that's more than me.
That's more than you. I don't even know you had a YouTube.
I did, but it's just for my video, my
I
comments.
didn't.
Don't worry, I'm gonna put this clip in a future video.
No,
when I have
you
like
should-
millions. And be
Wait,
like, this
You
bitch said
should.
100.
You should.
No, I
That'd
would
be
expose
funny.
you with your.
Yeah, I'm gonna post all that shit you were talking
I think
about.
she deleted it, but it was so funny.
No, they're still there.
God, I just like licked it and that's bad.
Do it.
Eat it!
Smell it. Or why not just eat?
Everybody should eat it.
Spicier. Oh my god, she's turning around.
Get my other You licked it?
I licked it.
I ate two.
I was eating these spicy ones too.
I'm a
but
punk compared to you when it comes to spicy food. You talk about me all the time.
I was eating spicy stuff already. I can't do it.
What?
I can't.
Really?
When did we go into the picnic?
That was really spicy.
Now she's exposed because she talks about I can't eat spicy food. I ate two of them. She took a lick of it and she
Did
freaked
you
out.
Run.
What else is this?
What?
What's this?
Maybe that's everything. What? Oh, okay.
Why are you still eating?
This was $15? Just these 5?
That plus your holy mac.
Oh, no, that's fine. Oh.
No, I didn't include yours. Yours was separate.
Oh.
It was in the message.
These are hotter than these.
This is nothing compared to this.
I know, it's delicious. It's like the perfect amount of hot. Like where your lips are tingling.
I don't feel
Yeah,
it. I don't feel hot anymore. Like this isn't spicy.
You're probably numbed now.
It's like when you get in the water and it's cold and you get used to it.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Hey,
I love
Look
it. I'm so used to the cold water.
Relatable.
I
That's just half now.
take cold showers all the time.
Go watch his other video if you want to know what it's like. I don't know. I'm trying to, I don't know.
Insert clip here.
We went to the water pool, dummy.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Fudge.
There'll be a card right there.
Like literally.
Click on the card right here. All right.
dying.
You got the other one? I'm gonna eat the two. I'm about to put this on my face.
What who?
No.
Jimmy,
Oh, is that
Wow.
an ice cube?
are you gonna eat it? Damn, this one has a
Yeah.
bunch of
Yeah,
it's
that
just sauce.
this one, that's why.
It's not doing anything for you.
It actually is. Don't tell me how I feel.
You need milk. You need some
I know,
milk.
it's because
He doesn't like.
You need some milk.
and also because
Okay, I'm gonna finish these last two.
Whoa.
you do the dolphin
Leave it
one.
out. Hey,
Not a dolphin.
Like,
Like he just took it back out.
I just hit the floor. Like kicked the floor.
I don't even like
Brace yourself.
the roller coaster ride.
Oh my god.
No, this is how. Ew.
I thought it was over 6
Can you not with your mouth open?
I didn't hear. I was gonna say
Oh,
these are helping because I only licked it.
oh.
My stomach is hurting.
Why? Did you eat too much?
Exposed. Exposed.
Scored.
Bless his soul.
No, but it was because Carlos Correa, like, he sacrificed one of his hits.
What? That wasn't Joseph.
Down the hat.
Oh god, oh no.
Wait, that's all you need to do for to finish to be on the wall?
Yeah, to finish your order of
Wait, you finished
Hey,
it?
give me my
Yeah,
plaque.
you finished them. Well, you're not gonna get it because you have to do it there.
You gotta lick it. Get on.
Wait, can you like go and show them that you?
Are you allowed to drink milk the entire time though? Probably not.
I don't think so.
It was really
Here
packed.
it comes.
Whose water is this?
Mine.
I almost choked. Why do people do that?
As long as they stay
When
moving, I'm good.
expect it, They're like running and they're like,
Gotta go. Out of body.
Because heat is energy. If you're using the energy, it's gonna help
I need
alleviate
to
it.
calm down. Wait, it's
just
lactose free, but it's whole milk?
I don't
That
get
didn't make no damn sense.
I don't get it either.
Lactose isn't what makes it whole.
Isn't it?
No. Oh my god.
Dumbass.
This is like my steam
thought
can't
the
catch
same
fire
thing.
moment.
Leche
know.
entera, that means whole milk, right?
Yes.
Leche entera.
So,
Yeah, that's
Dog, I'm good. I'm good. It was that first one.
You're done, right?
Yep.
He wouldn't have won the challenge though.
No.
He said no.
No.
Can you? Wait, yeah, no, they don't give you a
the
timer
video
there,
on
right?
Video when you go to
I don't think
Pluckers
so.
and do it.
No, I'm good.
Oh, you should have done it. That would have been fun. Ew.
And I
And
would've been
it's
faster.
like,
People
it's really
would show
noisy in
I
there.
had wings yesterday. Yeah. It's bad audio. You couldn't hear anything.
I can't even hear myself in there.
Nice.
It's focused on me, I just saw that.
Dave?
I've just been sucking on an eyes. One more look. Try the
The
mic.
holy mac was not that good.
Oh!
It's because it was hot. You
Yeah,
ate it
right
when
now.
it was cold. It was warm whenever we got here.
It's fried macaroni.
Yeah, and it's good.
Yeah,
good.
delicious.
It's literally the best thing in the world.
I've never heard a complaint.
Not
I've
tripping.
never
The
ever
best
heard
thing in the
complaint.
world is ramen.
True that.
No one.
You mean Maruchan?
No, actually, yeah.
Sopita basura?
No, because like I'm so used to that. I can't even try to like your
Sopa
What is this?
Buffalo bite. It's just,
buffalo.
Spicy lemon pepper.
yeah. It's
It's
like
a
little
nice.
bites.
Oh, that spicy lemon pepper. I think you would like that. I think since you tried that,
You want it?
you're gonna like spicy
This
food
was
now.
garlic parmesan.
I could.
Garlic parm was delicious.
You want it?
What is it?
It's the same thing that you just ate.
I'm good.
You just want to do spicy. I have spicy lemon pepper too.
I feel good. I feel like I did something. I feel good.
You're
I
random
also like
mile.
that I have not been in the shot at all.
She's not here. He's covering you. You're not here.
Are you gonna like take
I
that
like
home
that.
and eat it, drink it too?
He's probably
Yeah.
gonna drink it
That's
now.
why I got lactose free. But I'm like halfway through already.
I hate.
You don't hate it if you eat the I just ate it.
I like almond milk. Is almond milk work?
Dang, look at that. I ate this. What is this called? The what fire? The fire in the hole challenge?
No,
Booty
not
in
the
the hole.
challenge.
Fire enough.
I did this mug, bro.
He does film. He's a filmmaker.
Oh my god.
Casey, you hear that? They wouldn't understand.
No.
Oh, I don't watch Casey.
Love Casey. The reason why I started daily vlogging.
My friend would be so ashamed if I told her I did not watch Casey.
So that was
Look.
our rendition of Mukbang.
Wow.
And,
Brianna, can you say it right?
Okay, hey Brandon, you say it right.
I don't know. Mukbang?
Yes,
That
with
was
food
so
in your mouth is so
enthusiastic.
appropriate.
Mukbang. I'm eating.
Alright, so that was our mukbang for the day.
He said mukbang.
I'll be back.
Honestly,
With
this
more
is an
mukbang.
amateur one. It was horrible.
This is
It was
amateur
really
one.
bad.
Amateur.
We'll
But
do another one in a few years.
nope, a bad plan is better than no plan. So I'll leave you with
I
that.
want this to happen again soon.
Peace, guys.
But
Yeah, we can do it.
I know.